Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Groww and signing in. Make sure your 2FA is completed so data updates smoothly. Once logged in, tap the Markets tab to access screeners and research tools because that's where sector data lives. Now choose the sectors filter. This narrows the universe to sector-wise lists. You're not just looking, you're preparing the app to compare metrics like returns, P, and market cap. Do this now so the heavier analysis comes next without distractions. Once the sectors list is visible, enable the key columns, returns, P, market cap, and volume, because these numbers tell the performance story. Then change the time frame, check 1 month, 3 months, and 1 year to identify momentum versus short-term noise. You should sort by the metric you care about, for example returns, so top performers rise to the top. Finally, compare each sector's returns versus the benchmark index to see relative strength. This helps you prioritize sectors for deeper stock selection. After spotting promising sectors, drill into the top ones to view constituent stocks and their fundamentals. This explains why a sector is leading. You should add interesting sectors or stocks to a watch list and set price or news alerts so you don't miss moves. When ready, make allocation decisions guided by risk and diversification. If numbers look wrong, first refresh the app, clear cache, or re-login. This resolves most data hiccups, so you can trust the signals before you act.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.